Hello YouTube and welcome back to MavTech. I'm Mark and today we're looking at something kind of special. It's possibly the greatest phone accessory, iPhone accessory you can get your hands on to date. Know what I'm talking about? Finally got one. The OSMO Mobile 2 from DJI. A 3-axis phone gimbal to stabilise footage on the go as a vlogger or just some cinematic filmmaking. Am I a cinematic filmmaker? Of course I'm not, I'm just a tech head. That's why I've got one. So we're going to open this up in this video, have a quick look around it. They don't come charged, I know that, I've seen some of the other videos. So it's going to be a quick look at the box, quick walk around inside, and then give it a couple of days of me getting used to it and using it, and I'm going to upload a video of what I think about it, because I think this is a fantastic little piece of kit. These are on sale at the Apple store at the moment. They're actually in store, you can pick them up. Well, my local one in London. So yeah, £129. Waste of money or goodbye? We'll find out. Ready to do this? Come on. So let's not waste any more time and get straight on with this. Packaging. Beautifully packaged box. Could be mistaken for an Apple product, but it's not. Just as it's sold in the Apple store, it's DJI. Again, white box. You've got a picture description on the front, picture description here, a different angle. What it is, the OSMO Mobile 2, and you got a full bit of, tiny little bit of spec down the bottom, nothing. And the important part, you guys probably want to know the price. As I said before, £129 from the Apple store. You can pick them up now at the Apple store. You don't have to order them online. I like buying stuff with cash and someone giving you a product. I'm a bit old school like that. I don't mind ordering stuff online. I'd rather just go and purchase something or walk away with it there and then. Anyway, rambling over. Knife, let's get this done. Right, down the side, nice and easily. Should be quite a simple box opening. Always the best part of opening anything is it's new. And the unbox experience is fantastic. Right, we open it straight up, and as you can see here on the side, you've got some paperwork. And that's some quite hefty paperwork. Obviously, it's going to be a bit of fun getting used to using this. So you've got an OSMO Mobile 2, I guess, quick start guide. Quick start guide, you're having a laugh. Can't read all that. There's another bit on here, what's this for? We're here to help. Thank you DJI, it's nice to know. And another one, the OSMO Mobile 2. Disclaimer and safety guidelines. Yeah, read them. And then, as you can see inside, you start to see this sort of styrofoam box. Again, very nicely packaged box. DJI on here, it's raised, sort of a 3D, just lifts up, which is very soft, it weighs nothing. Let's open this up. And there you go, in all its glory, the new DJI 2 OSMO Mobile. Don't need them. So it gives you the actual OSMO itself, OSMO Mobile 2 itself, in this nice little package box. Now I've seen some people saying it's not fantastic this, I wouldn't want to be carrying this around, it's a bit chunky, a bit clunky, but it's nice for packaging I suppose. And inside you got your micro USB for charging. I've been waiting so long to get my hands on one of these. And it's actually quite light, I'll just put that down to one side. Now you've got your micro charging lead. I said it doesn't come charged in the side here to a USB. It feels nice. It's a very plasticky feel. I know that's what it's made out of. It's my first phone gimbal, so I'm not going to compare it to the other ones like I've heard a lot of other people doing. This is my first phone gimbal, so I'm just going to talk about what I can see here and now. It's very light. It feels comfortable-ish to hold. Obviously, like I said, it's not charged. I'll stick it on charge overnight and I'll upload another video very soon using it. Can I slide the phone in here now? I've got my trusty iPhone 10, which I love. How easy is this literally to do as someone who's never had a phone gimbal before? And I believe I've, like I said, watched a few bits and pieces. Let me see, can I loosen this? And does this come out this way, I believe? A little bit. Might need some practice at this. Like I said, first time doing it. Let's give it one more shot. Make myself look like a complete buffoon on the channel. Nothing new there. It's actually not too bad. So we'll get it powered up, I'll play with it, but first impressions, what a nice looking little product. I've seen people using these, and I've got a holiday coming up soon with the family, so this is going to be great, and I'm going to try and do my own little cinematic video, cinematic usage of this. I'm away for 2 weeks, so we'll see how I get on with it. Should have plenty of practice with it. I'll be a pro by the time we come back. Yeah, of course. So there you go, your DJI OSMO Mobile 2 and charging lead. Obviously stick around, we'll have more videos coming out, especially on this, and a few more special DJI products that I've been looking at and very interested in buying. So let me know what you think. Think about subscribing to the channel. It's always content coming up and me talking and rambling about tech, which you love. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below, it does help the channel out. I'm Mark, this is MavTech. See you next time.